Thank you for visiting Renishaw at IMTS 2024, where we showcase our brand new products, from the new sensors available for our REVO 5-axis CMM technology, as well as the Agility CMM frame to complement it, including brand new hardware and of course our new Renishaw Central software product, which lets you bring all your inspection equipment data into one single data platform. And of course, the Ren AM500Q Ultra with TEMPUS Technology.
On the booth this year, we are proudly displaying our Renishaw Ren AM500Q Ultra series machine platform. The Ultra platform includes our in-situ process monitoring technology, as well as our newly introduced TEMPUS technology. The TEMPUS technology provides our end user customers the opportunity to obtain up to 100% productivity improvement on their traditional manufacturing build schedules that go onto the machine.
Here we're improving a robot's capability. We're doing this by adding calibrated probing to the robot itself and tool setters in front of it. The probing can understand the parts which lie in front of the robot, and the tool setters can set the tools on the robot. By understanding both of these parts, we're able to pass programs directly to the robot and enable offline programming without unnecessary touch-ups.
We're at the Renishaw booth at the Student Summit at IMTS 2024. One of the big voids that we see in the industry is metrology. So with this, we're helping the schools to have more metrology into their programs, and one of the ways that we do that is we're working with them inspecting their national certification parts.